Hello Year 4, it's Miss Martin here, and I'm here to do our times tables for today. Okay, remember we are doing our 8 times table, so I need you to get your 8 times table booklet for me, which is this one. Okay, if it takes time to go and find it, just pause the video. Okay, once you've got it, 8 times table booklet for me, and as I say, we're going to be doing test number 3 today. Okay, test number 3, which is this one. I'm just going to swap my screen over so that the questions will appear on your screen as well. Okay, so we're going to do test number 3, as you can see it there. All right, and you've got 2 minutes. Off you go. Okay, your time is up. So put your pencils down for me. Okay, and get your blue pens out because we're going to mark it together. Okay, so pencils down, blue pens out. And we are going to I'm just going to see if I can get them to come up on the screen. There we go. Okay, they're up on the screen, but I'm going to read them out as well. Hopefully I've not made any mistakes, but if you're unsure, you can just go and double check with an adult. Okay, 6 times 8 is 48. 24 times 8, divided by 8, sorry, is 3. 5 times 8 is 40. 8 times 5 is 40. 6 times 8 is 48. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. 3 times 8 is 24. 6 times 8 is 48. 5 times 8 is 40. 8 times 2 is 16. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 2 times 8 is 16. 8 times 2 is 16. 3 times 8 is 24. 48 divided by 8 is 6. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 16 divided by 2 is 8. And 8 times 2 is 16. Okay, now we're going to the top of the next column. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. 32 divided by 4 is 8. 8 times 6 is 48. 3 times 8 is 24. 2 times 8 is 16. 40 divided by 5 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. 3 times 8 is 24. 48 divided by 6 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 4 times 8 is 32. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 4 is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. 8 times 6 is 48. 24 divided by 3 is 8. Okay, so count up how many you got right and give yourself a mark. Okay, even if it's just one more than last time, that's really good. Okay, well done, because it shows you're improving. Okay, put your booklet down for me, because now we're going to play a game of hit the button. Okay, I'm going to put it up on the screen, and remember to shout out the answer at your screen for me. Okay, also if you want, you can point to where the number is on your screen. So we've got 2 times 8, 10 times 8, 2 times 8, just had that one, 12 times 8, 5 times 8, 12 times 8, 7 times 8, Miss Martin's favourite, 2 times 8, 8 times 8, 7 times 8, 9 times 8, 3 times 8, 1 times 8, 3 times 8, 2 times 8. Oh, okay, we've got 14 at 14. Well done. Hopefully you got quite a few too. Right, we're going to do one more game of it. Okay, so remember, shout out your answers at the screen for me. 5 times 8. 2 times 8. 2 times 8, sorry, 7 times 8. That's my fault. 6 times 8. 10 times 8. 8 times 8. 4 times 8. 1 times 8. 5 times 8. 7 times 8. 8 times 8. 10 times 8. 2 times 8. 5 times 8. 9 times 8. Oh, we got the same score. Brilliant. Hope you did well on that too. Okay, now I want you to go back to getting your times table booklet for me, please, because we're going to do test number 4. Okay, so get your times table book. I'm just going to swap my screen over again. Okay, questions are up on your screen, but on your times table booklet, I'm giving you 2 minutes to do test number 4. Off you go. Okay, your time is up, so put your pencils down for me and get your blue pens out. Pencils down, blue pen out. Same as usual, I'll put the answers up on your screen as well, but I'll read them out as well. Okay, if you're unsure on any, or if you're unsure if I got one wrong or something, you can go and check with an adult. Okay, pretty sure I checked them and we got them all right. So hit the wrong button and there we go. Okay, so first column, 8 times 4 is, well, I've made a mistake straight away with the first one. I do apologise. It's not 8 times 4 is 48. It should be 8 times 4 is 32. See if there's any others. So 8 times 4 is 32. 5 times 8 is 40. 8 times 3 is 24. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 4 times 8 is 32. 5 times 8 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. 32 divided by 4 is 8. 6 times 8 is 48. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 2 is 16. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 4 times 8 is 32. 6 times 8 is 48. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 6 is 48. 6 times 8 is 48. Lots of 48s there. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 8 times 3 is 24. And 8 times 4 is 32. Okay, so now we're going to the top of the next column. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 3 times 8 is 24. 8 times 5 is 40. 2 times 8 is 16. 8 times 2 is 16. 2 times 8 is 16. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 2 times 8 is 16. 5 times 8 is 40. 3 times 8 is 24. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 5 times 8 is 40. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 48 divided by 8 is 6. 3 times 8 is 24. 8 times 2 is 16. 6 times 8 is 48. And 40 divided by 5 is 8. Okay, so add up how many you got right and give yourself a mark for us. Okay, and remember to take a picture of your tests and send them to your teacher, because we love seeing how you're getting on with your times tables and like to see when you're improving. Okay, because we know you're working really hard on them. Okay, well done this week, well done today on your times tables, and I'll see you for our next video. Bye, Year 4.